Nabibisi ako ngayon paggawa ng content sa TikTok. Hala ka! Akala ata niya choke na to. Maglilinis ako, guys. Picture na.
Mine has more designs.
How about Ollie?
Diamond cards.
Get it? Smile!
Okay. I want more fish.
Sarap mo naman kumain ng isda. Kaya mo sarap na sarap siya, oh. Grabe.
Black sock. Yes, there's some.
Yes, I like it.
Tuloy ko lang yung paggawa ng pancake kasi naisahan tayo na Bia.
Sarap!
Wow, totally convincing.
Morning guys. Hindi yung bayan ang binibidyo ko ha. Ito. Kung makikita nyo may dala siyang parang stick. Kasi natuklasan namin. Meron pala sila dito. Ayun pa oh. Natuklasan namin. Meron pala silang pugad dito. Ayan. Gumagawa sila ng pugad. May kaagaw ka na roasted. Lakad-lakad siya oh. Masaya ka dyan? Lumaki na ba? Tagal mo naman lumaki. Roasted. Rosie. Swimming ka na ulit. Swimming ka na dun. Ginagawa mo. Tapos yung ibang, ano pala, ibang Christmas decor dito ko na nilalagay. Parang biglang sumikip. Diba dati may ano dito, parang deer, ay yung usa, reindeer. Nung tinanggal namin, parang hindi na siya magkasya. Baligtad.
Hi guys! Nabibisi ako ngayon paggawa ng content sa TikTok kasi nag-a-affiliate nga ako. So, finocus ko muna yun kasi ang dami ko ng pending na mga products eh. Kaya hindi ko natuloy yung vlog kahapon ata. Yes! Ano yan? May dumating pa ng package, guys. From Glam Fetty. Para sa mga bata to. Pero mamaya na nila open. Mamaya open. Okay? Daldal nito kahapon. No? Sino madaldal kahapon? Sino ang daldal kahapon? Anong te? Jewish yan. Magluluto tayo ng sigarilyas ulit. Ni-request nila. Kasi parang nagustuhan ata nila yung nakaraan na sigarilyas na gata. Pero wala tayong pork giling ngayon. So, pure ano lang siya. Tapos, haluan ko na lang siya nito. Sitaw. Pinakat ko ng ganyang kaliliit. Tapos, ang ginamit ko kasing gata doon is yung Good Nom fresh gata. Ito yung mga ingredients. Yan. Nakaraan kasi sobrang anghang. Pero ngayon babawasan ko. Ano to? Sili. Bawang sibuyas. No? Hala! Masusunog na yung niluluto natin. Hala! Hala! Say hala! Doon ka kaya muna, Oli. I'm cooking. Baka tumalsik eh. Baba muna, baba. Okay? Wait for mommy, okay?
Okay.
Nakainit ko kasi. Lagyan ko lang to ng ano. Nakaraan wala akong bagoong na nilagay. Pero ngayon lalagyan ko. Konti lang. Akala ata niya choke na to. Oh, no. Pork cubes yun ah. Uli.
Kinain mo? Ha? Ikaw ah.
Kala mo ano yun ah. Binuksan ni Oli. Akala ata choke na. Pengi pa nga ako pa. Ewan ko kung nasubo. Parang hindi naman. Siling haba. Ang dali lang itong Good Nom mo. Ganyan na. Doon lang kayo sa tear here. So, kailangan nyo siyang lagyan ng luha. Charot. Joke yun. Anong vitamins? Fortima? Ah, nakaka-unbox? Talaga? Last, 3 na nilagay ko. Lagyan natin ng konting bagoong. Tignan natin. 4 cubes. Optional, lagyan nyo ng asukal. Pero ito hindi ko nalalagyan kasi itong Good Gnome, manamis-namis na siya. Okay na rin to guys. Konting ano lang. Konting papasimmer ko lang. Kain. Request ng mga angels. Na-request yan nila Ate Jonah. John! Maglilinis ako guys. Dito lang sa kwarto. Tignan mo. Ang hirap talaga nitong ano na to, pump. Nung nakaraan lumabas na siya. Ilang beses ko na rin to nagamit. Kaso may time na ganyan. Ang hassle. Ano to? Yung nabili ko sa TikTok, Papa Feel. Maganda sana siya kasi may instant effect nga. Kaso yung pump naman ang problema. Kunti-kunti. Diba? Kailangan yung ganunin. Puwersado. Gusto ko pa naman sana to kasi nga may brightening effect siya. Sinubuan ako ng malaking pimple dito. Grabe ang aking hormones ngayon. Nagsimula yan nung nagkaroon ako yung first period ko after raspa. So maglinis dito yung talagang linis na hindi lang basta simpleng vacuum or ligpit ng mga kalat. Linis talaga. Ito yung mga gagamitin natin product. Para lang ano, maiba. Carpet Essence. Matagal ko na tong binili. Mayroon tong baking soda. Tas ang bango nito, amoy bamboo and sandal forest. Nakalimutan ko lang kung sa Landers ko siya nabili or sa SNR. Naliligo kasi si Oli. Kaya nag-iiyak-iyak. Tapos yan, Mayors. Yan. Yung ating multi-surface cleaner. Wala na kasi kaming Via cleaner guys. Via home. Pinastop muna ni Daddy Al. Simula nga nung nawalan kami ng helper. Ilang buwan na yun nasaktuhan din. Wala na kaming stock. So, hindi pa ulit nagpaparestock si Daddy Al. Tao kasi talaga yung problema namin. Kulang kami sa manpower. Ang dami nga naghahanap eh. Pero yun, update ko na lang kayo if ever kung kailan kami magre-restock or kung magre-restock pa ba. Ayan, tapos Lysol. Ito, ini-spray ko to basta nakabukas yung mga bintana. Huwag kayo mag-i-spray nito na yung sarado, kulob. Ganun. Kailangan open air talaga siya. Just to be safe. Ito, meron pa ako pa pala dito. Ito na lang natitira. Nag-iisa na lang to. Cleaner namin. As in, wala nang stock. Kailan kaya magre-restock si Daddy Al. Naantay ko lang din siya eh. Kasi siya yung nag-aasikaso nun, di naman ako. Nagpo-promote lang ako. Wala tayong music. Kasi na ba yung ano ko, speaker ko? Nasa labas pala. Ginamit pala namin yun. Tutulala na naman ako. Hindi ko na naman alam paano magsisimula. Umuulan. Ito kasi kakapalit lang nito nung nakaraan.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Soon I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and take away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and take away inside. Oh, take today, oh, dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, oh, na 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 na, woo, oh, na 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 na, woo, na na na, woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder to...
Get mo yan, oh. Picture na. Picture na. Picture na. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Picture na. Ding, 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 ding. Smile! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, smile! Game 1, 2, 3, smile! 1, 2, 3, smile, Ollie! Okay. Oo, open na nila.
Open, open.
3, 2, 1.
Wow! I want to open this one. I want this one.
Meron na ako.
Can I open now?
Yes.
Right now? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yes! I wanna open this first.
Okay, show nyo. Thank you, Glamfetti.
Thank you so much, Glamfetti. I love arts and crafts. What is this?
Oh, there's stickers inside.
Ooh, what's this?
So, yun, nagpadala sila ng
We can make our own pencil cake.
Creativity Corner coin pouch and pencil bag kit. Tapos ito, mga DIY
Pwede na-
keychains. Tapos mga clip. Ito pa.
Fine, you can have the bag.
Ay, ang
Have
cute
the
nito.
rest.
Oh, suotin nyo, tatlo kayo, di ba?
Yes.
Tago nyo yan. Pag malaki na si Ollie, siguro.
DFF. Oh.
Ay, ano. Kayong dalawa, masusuot nyo lang kay Ollie, maluwag pa to eh. Tapos, ay, ang cute!
Notebook.
Ooh, matching.
There's no erasers in here.
Keychain. 200 plus pieces. Ah, sticker notebook, oh.
Oh, yay.
Pencil.
Ang cute. Brush.
I didn't see the pencil.
Tapos, notebook. Thank you so much, Glamfetti. Are you happy?
Yes.
Only so.
You like it?
No?
Yes, say thank you po.
Oh.
It's a
How are we
notebook.
gonna do
You can write, Ollie. Look, oh. It's
I
so
don't have to check
cool.
it
I
when we
know.
do that.
I
Alright.
wanted to.
Where's... I'm gonna keep this.
Wow, good.
How much is that?
Zigzag.
What's that?
Let's
It's a
play.
heart.
How much is there?
Wow.
I'll just do the big one.
Oh, no.
I'll go to you because...
May kasama din palang ganun.
I want this
Clip.
one. I want the heart.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's half of 6? 3.
That's so cool. That's so cool. I'll just. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you want to draw? Yes.
Don't tell me the waiting, waiting.
Oh. How about this is the back?
Okay, can I have this? But I give it to... Look, oh.
Oh, ang cute na.
Oh,
Ay, ang cute.
Wait, which one should
Mine
I
is
do?
Naglagay.
Louie.
Dinikit nyo.
Yes.
Cute, oh.
Mine's cuter.
Customized
No,
pa.
mine is cuter.
Ito kay Louie. Ito yung ginawa ni
Wait, I wasn't
Louie.
done.
Ito
I don't
kay
know.
Ayi. Coin purse.
Wait, I can't tell. Should I do this or put this in the back?
Can't see.
Option 1 and option 2.
Option 1 is better, but the
Ah.
back will be basic.
Oh. It's okay. I'll use option
Use your
1.
right hand, oh. Right.
I said option 2.
Yan, go.
Option 2?
Yeah.
Oh, I
try
didn't
it.
hear. How
How
about
about option 2 is
no.
this? And one.
Do it.
Okay.
Wow! Okay na? Picture
Yes,
na
I'm done.
kayo. Game 1, 2, 3.
Left us your Alice is even.
Whose is better?
Wala, parehong maganda.
Okay.
Mine has more designs and contrasting.
Wow. May contrasting
But mine is
pang
simple.
lalaman.
But mine is simple and cool.
Wow.
Mine has more designs and it's eye-catching.
How about
What is that?
Ollie?
What is
You never
that?
oh.
Oh, bracelet.
It's diamond art.
Diamond bracelet.
Bracelet. You like bracelet?
Wow. You've played these games before, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Diamond art.
Get it.
You played
Say
these
get it,
games
please.
before. You're supposed to know.
I only know when it's even number.
Ollie, picture.
I wonder how old this is.
Nice it.
So nice. I like it. Which one do you like? This one? Yes. What do you mean?
And
I love
diamond painting thing.
So nice,
These
Oli. It
Maybe
is
it's
a mermaid.
Which one should we do first? Do you use this? Oh,
You like
yeah.
it?
Which one should we do first?
Oh,
I don't
so
want
pretty.
Ollie can have it.
Wow.
Wait, I didn't want the keychain.
Huh?
It's so cool.
No, you'll do it, but I can have it.
Oh.
This?
Then I will do the keychain.
What's that? Octopus.
Oh, we have to peel it first?
Wait, don't touch it.
Mermaid.
Wow!
You will
What is
remove that.
It's a jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Yes, this one.
You're
Starfish.
supposed to remove it.
Jellyfish.
Very good. It's a crab.
Crab.
I'm cool.
Can you walk like a crab?
Crabby, crabby, crabby.
Crabby, crabby, crabby.
These games before.
Oh, that's so nice,
You said you
Oli.
played these.
What do you want?
Red sir.
Huh? What's that? Ano yan? Turtle?
What
Is
should I
that a
draw?
turtle?
Yes.
A
Draw Shelly.
star? Okay, get it.
I will try
You can
to
do
draw
it.
Shelly.
Wow, ang galing naman.
And I'm burning But you have to share this. Who's first? You.
Me. You're supposed to read it.
Yeah. You have to do
But why do you need to put it there?
So I want it. This one? So it could stick.
Ooh, I so cool.
It's so cool, right?
Oh, okay, here.
Okay, Ali. Look here. 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Smile! Smile, Oli. Show mo yung sticker. Show. Show sticker, Oli. 1, 2, 3. This one.
This is
Show.
not a sticker, see?
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Smile. What's that? It's
I can do
a mermaid.
Mommy.
Wow.
Okay, last one and I will give it to you.
Smile.
Okay. Every 6.
No, do it.
Every 6. Ooh, I
No.
cool.
Ang cute ni
You have to
Oli,
put this
oh.
on the yellow.
Napaka-cute ng batang to. Ang ganda ni Oli. No?
Kamukha.
Oopsies. Oopsies.
Ano yan siya naglagay?
Oo. Wow, you have mermaids. So many mermaids. Are you happy?
Yes. Mommy.
Mermaid daw, no? You want here?
Do you like your tattoo? Yes. See, I like it. I like it.
Look at mommy, oh. Smile. Look here kay
I
mommy.
guess I can try.
Mommy.
How? Say
No,
la
it's
la
gonna be
la.
harder.
Say la 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 la. Na 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 na.
Bingo!
You want this? Let me help you. Oh, tigas. Wow! Look, Oli. Oh, shake mo, shake. Wow! What's inside?
I know.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Dito naman, dito. Sa dress. Sa dress. Put sa dress.
Number 1.
Wow! Show mo sa kanila. Show, guys. Look, guys. Say, guys. Look. Look at my dress. So pretty. You want this one?
Yes.
It's this one is a shell.
Sure.
I'll put here naman.
What if there's no?
Wow!
Oh, yes.
Wow! You like it?
Yes.
It's so cool.
That's so cool.
I only came over 'cause all my friends said I should get out more. Smile and nod at all of the small talk, but keep looking for the door. Then cut to you, cross the room in your vintage Levi's. What do I do with this view? Wait, hold up, is this a meet cute? Oh my god, like Rachel McAdams in the Notebook, 'cause I keep on staring and the whole world stops. Theme song is playing, just a Friday night, but it feels like the start of the rest of my life. The lights and cue the slow motion camera close up on your face. It's almost a little too perfect. Heartbeat starts picking at base.
Very good. Nag-i-eat ng fish. You like fish?
Yes.
Yummy?
Yes.
Wow, very good. Ano yan? Pampano.
Masarap siya.
Kala mo, fried chicken. Pero alam niya, fish eh. Paulit-ulit. I want fish.
Yummy fish?
Yes.
Use the spoon.
I want more fish.
More?
Yes. I didn't have content rice.
Dagdagan mo.
More fish.
More fish.
More fish. Very good. Nag-i-eat fish, no? Mana kay Ate Ayi.
What?
Yummy fish.
No.
Talagang inan niya. Yun lang talaga kinain niya, yung isda.
Oo nga eh.
Ubus na rin daw niya isda. Puro pork daw kasi. Ubus mo na, oh.
See bone.
Buti na lang dito matinik.
Oo.
Grabe kumain ng isda, oh. Sarap mo naman kumain ng isda.
Oo nga eh. Samuul eh.
Dapat ata isang buong, ano sa'yo, isda. Tama, sarap na sarap siya, oh. Grabe.
Pakitang gilas ah.
No more. All done. Ito na.
Yan, oo. Ito rin sa'yo.
Kinuha pa yun sa akin. Ngayon na nga nakapag-isda. Oh. Yummy. Your turn.
I love it.
Very
I love
good.
it.
Dark.
My turn?
Black yard.
Yes, there's a
Yes,
word
I
on
like
one.
it.
Okay. One what?
Word.
Oh.
You like it?
Blue.
Thank you.
You.
Na. Diet ako eh.
I don't know.
Iniiwasan ko nga yan, Oli.
Blue.
You like it?
Like this.
I like it. Low carb tayo, madam. Tama na.
Sweet trees.
Sarap na sarap siya.
Only for me.
So ayan, medyo kumalat dito kasi inaayos ko na yung mga pang Christmas. Ayan o. Dito ko na nilagay. Tapos yan, ito yung mga pinaglumaan. Ito yung mga pre-love pala nila Via. Nila Ayi. Yan, nilagay ko muna dyan. Kasan si Ayan, naririnig ko pa siya. Baka gumagala-gala yun. Kanina kasi nandito akala ko nawawala, yung pala nandito lang sa ilalim. Si Roasted. Ay, ito pala si Roasted. Natutulog. Sarap ng pesta mo dyan ah. O, ayun pala oh.
Pinalipat niya dito tong ball pit niya. Yung bigay ni Kring to, guys. Ano? Kakaligpit ko lang eh. Pero di naman niya ginugulo. Gusto lang niya nandito. Kanina nanonood siya ng TV. Nandito siya, nakaupo. Nakahiga siya dyan. Na, dagdagan na lang natin yung ball. Uy pa, baka malaglag. Talaga ka. Kanina ka pa. Tang, 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 tang. Pag ikaw nalaglag talaga.
Pakabahin nanay.
Pinapakaba ko lagi.
So cute.
Daddy! Daddy! Help!
Help.
Why? Why?
You're so cute, Oli. Can you say good night?
Good night.
Say good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
Saan masakit? Yung nose lang? Yung throat, hindi?
No, dito. A little bit of here.
Yung dito, hindi. It's your, allergy season.
Also, I had glug when I woke up.
You have glove? Baka sobrang lamig sa yun, hindi naman.
No.
Change na kasi ng weather, Louie. Kaya ganyan eh. Huwag kang ganyan ng ganyan. Lalo na matitrigger yan. Just breathe properly.
For Jimmy, try.
Ang alin?
Jimmy, try. Jimmy, try.
Hey, wait. Ano ka niyan? This one.
Say thank you. Thank you.
Ganyan ba yan, Oli?
Say
Very good, Oli. You're helping ate.
She's brushing my jacket.
Thank you, Oli.
I will help.
Thank you, Kateki.
Wow.
O, di ba nagbabalik siya kung saan nakalagay yung brush? Sana all. Done. Done. Say done.
Done.
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Good job, Oli. Where's your food?
Say, I don't know. I don't know.
Ayan, si Ate Ai kasi online. Tas bukas wala kayong pasok, no? Ito, papasok. Ito, ang dami nagtatanong kung saan namin nabili. Pwede siyang maging table, pwedeng parang ladder. Sa Lazada to, lagay ni Daddy Al yung link. And from Educurate. Ganda niyan, gamit na gamit. Yan, luto lang ako ng, hulaan nyo kung ano lulutuin. Baka wala kayong idea kung ano yan. Char. Tinola. Tapos, ang hinahablo ko dyan is itong chicken broth para mas malasa. Basang-basa dito. Nabasa yung phone ko. Hindi ko alam na basa.
Baka kilubi.
Hindi eh, sobrang daming basa eh. Baka ito? Ay, pa naglilik na to.
Ay, ganun.
Dami. Ito kanina yan.
Baka over.
Kiss, Louie. Kiss. Love you. See you later. Medyo konti lang yung manok ah. Parang konti lang to pa.
Ha?
Konti lang siya.
1.5 kilo.
It's just me or Ali got darker.
Got what?
Darker.
Bibilisan ko lang dahil marami pa tayong gagawin. Yung mga i-film ako. Itong can opener na miss talaga ako dito. Saan ba namin nabili? IKEA. Tchadan! Kita niyo ba yun? Show my boy. Are you done, ate?
No.
Maglagay ka nung sa nails mo. Okay na to guys, kain. Dami na namang malunggay.
Luto lang ako ng pancake kasi tuloy ko lang yung paggawa ng pancake kasi naisahan tayo ni Bia.
Panoorin nyo na
Panoorin nyo na lang sa Facebook page niya o kaya sa TikTok. Yan, kung paano niya ako naisahan. At naisahan niya pa ulit ako kasi ako pala yung magluluto. Nakala ko siya. Gumamit lang ako ng gatas sa halip na tubig. Tapos, 2 pack yung nasa loob nito. So, ginamit ko yung isang buo nito. Yun lang. Tapos, yan, may nakita akong raspberry sa freezer. So, gagamitin na rin natin to. Pero, half-half. Yung half plain, yung half may ganito. Madalas 'di ba ang ginagamit ko yung yung isa, tawag din yung waffle maker. Kaso lang problema doon, sira na. Kaya dito tayo. Tsaka baka hindi mabuo yung yung waffle. Waffle yung pancake pag nilagyan ng raspberry. Sakto to pang baon-baon ng mga bata. Tapos maglagay tayo ng dinuguan. Ano to, raspberry. Ooh. Sana mabubuo. Mabubuo naman siguro to. Pangat yata pag minix. Dapat pala pino-fold lang. Fold lang. Ba't parang di siya appetize? Parang naging color purple.
Which one?
Yan. Tsaka to.
Why is it ube?
Ube. Raspberry yan. Mamaya ate, mga...
Kala ko ube yan ah. It looks like ube.
Raspberry, tikman mo.
Mamaya na.
Sarap!
Wow, totally convincing ah.
Ang sarap!
That is totally convincing.
Hindi sarap nga. Promise.
Your voice sounds like you're in a commercial.
Hindi sarap. Sarap.
You add more time.
Ilagay mo na dyan. Sa akin na to. Sige, okay na yan. Ilagay mo na dito. Yan. Ito. Ganun mo. Parang ganito. And then, ito. Yan, ganyan lang. Okay. O na, kaya mo na yan. Okay? Tapos pag nag-bubbles, diba? Baliktadin mo na. Thanks, ate.
I don't think I cooked the edges right.
Okay lang.
Is it supposed to be like that?
Siguro, first time lang natin ito.
Look how powerful this cookie is.
Meta, it means yung sa mga character, sa mga...
Powerful.
They are the...
Overpowered.
Sa Mobile Legends, ganun ang term din. Pag mga meta heroes, sila yung mga in-demand kasi malalakas.
Say hello, everybody. Say I'm going to tell everybody. Mommy. Hush, hush. Daddy, daddy. Please. Okay.
Yan, si Louie kakagising lang kanina. Sabay kayo ni Ollie.
Okay.
Si Ollie late na rin nagising. Nakatulog kanina habang kumakain. May kinuha lang akong saglit. Kinausap ko lang saglit si Ayi. Tapos pagtingin ko sa kanya, tulog na. Habang kumakain.
No! Oh no!
Ganda ng kasi niya dyan, no?